in Ajijic. Offer at $825,000. Upper La Floresta. Corner property at the North Street. At the North Street, the main building, off-street parking, entering the building, the kitchen space, black granite countertops and wooden cabinetry. Open concept living and dining area extending south to the covered outdoor terrace. Outdoor stairs up to the roof with mountain views. At the southeast of the building, the master bedroom, ensuite bathroom, tiled on beige marble, 2 bedrooms and 2.5 bathrooms at the main building. At the south of the lot, the second building. Upstairs, the guest house. Open concept space on granite countertops and wooden cabinetry, 2 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms. At the lower level, a large warehouse. Corner lot property in Upper La Floresta, 2 separate buildings, and the possibility to add a third rental The diamond price comparables for this property are at the lower price and at the higher price, and compares with the following dimensions in land and construction.